This is why you need to clean your rug, because what's hiding in there isn't just dust. Here's the simple way to make your rug look and smell fresh again. Let's get right to it. Step 1. If your rug's small enough, take it outside and give it a good shake. You'll be amazed at how much dust comes flying out. Step 2. Vacuum the top, then flip the rug over and vacuum the underside too. Dirt hides everywhere, so don't skip this step. Step 3. Got a stain? Mix a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water. Dip in a soft cloth and gently blot the spot. Don't scrub. Blot with a dry towel right after. And remember, always test your cleaning mix on a corner first and never soak your rug. Step 4. Time to freshen things up. Sprinkle baking soda across your rug. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes or overnight. If odors are stubborn, then vacuum it all up. Bye-bye mystery smells. Step 5. If you can, hang your rug outside or drape it over a railing to air out. Sunshine and fresh air work wonders on bacteria and lingering odors. And that's it. No fancy cleaners, no harsh chemicals, just a clean rug and a fresher home. Want the whole place sparkling beyond just your rugs? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning at 256-633-6332 or visit bearbroscleaning.com. Very clean, guaranteed.